To facilitate the input of nodes, we select the wireframe view. We set the following new nodes: 1.1.0, 1.12.0, 7.1.0, 7.6.0, 7.1.0, and we set our members on this node. We click on new members individually. The default setting of the member type is beam, and we leave it for the columns. We do not need a member rotation. Since we have not created any cross-sections yet, we select one from the library. We select a classic rectangular cross-section and enter the dimensions 40 by 40. We could now also change the material, but our desired material is already preset. We also do not set member hinges because the columns should be rigid. Further settings for the new member can be found in the remaining tabs of this window. To set the new members, we select the length and direction checkbox in the window. We enter a length of 3 meters and select perpendicular to work plane and plus and perpendicular to the z-axis. We click the following nodes and close the window with escape or right-click. 1, 1, 0, 1, 12, 0, and 7, 12, 0. We can now also see our cross-section and members in the Navigator's Data tab. Now we want to copy the complete left slab including columns in the right part of the building. For this, we can use the classic move, copy symbol or the mirror. For this, we first select the objects that are to be mirrored. When we drag a selection window from left to right, we select all objects that are completely in the selection window. However, if we drag the selection from right to left, all objects that even touch the window are selected. When we have selected our objects, we click Mirror. In the new window, we click Create Copy because we want to have the slab with the columns on both sides of the building. Our mirror axis is YZ. When selecting the reference point for mirroring, we click the center of the second plate, which also corresponds to the mirror axis of our model. Here, the object snap helps us to select the exact point of the mirror axis. Double-click the wheel to see the entire model immediately. Next, we enter the opening in the middle plate. We click on New Rectangular Opening, and then on the points 12, 2, 0, and 16, 6, 0. With the filled display mode, you can now clearly see the opening. Now you can test your skills in RFEM and enter the remaining columns yourself. Creates a new rectangular cross-section 50 to 50 with the same material properties and inserts the remaining 2 columns. Then you can mirror it to the right plate as shown above. The resolution can be found in the next video. Good luck.